Now we're going to make this really cute holiday ponytail holder. We're going to start with our mini Bodabra. I'm going to take my Bodabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just tuck the ends underneath my mini. Then what I'm going to do is take my green. I'm just going to put a piece there, fold this back, find the center, and just scrunch that down into my mini Bodabra. Then I'm going to take my pink. I'm just going to scrunch this in. This is kind of the way you could do a boutique bow. I'm making it just a little bit smaller and scrunch that down. Then I'm going to take my pink and I'm going to just fold the end here, scrunch it in, and I'm going to fold this over here. So you have a little little scrunchy. And then I'm going to finish it with this little piece of green ribbon. I think this has a really cute holiday look, but of course you could make these bows very simply in any color you wanted. I'm just going to hold that tight while I pull it through. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. And for those of you that aren't familiar, on Monday nights I do a Facebook Live, and I would love you to join me at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern. And now I'll just take this and tie that on. And it's every Monday I do a whole half-hour Facebook Live show. It's really fun. And then I'm going to take my scissors, clip the ends, and you have this really, really adorable ponytail holder. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bodabra on Facebook.